Nandito pala tayo ngayon sa Suyo, Ilocos Sur. At tagal-tagal din kasi na hindi tayo nakagala kasama ang tropa. Dito nga namin naisipang pumunta dahil hindi rin namang kalayuan. Siyempre, sobrang nakakamiss din tong lugar.
My folks say I'm a good daughter. A lot of ways I've been lucky, but my heart it stayed lonely. I had dates, phone calls and flowers, but they never left me empowered. But right now it's all so clear because of you, dear. Don't know when I've been this happy every time that
Medyo may katirikan yung daan, pero ayos lang naman. Kasi pagbaba mo ay bubungad sa iyo ang napakagandang tanawin at syempre, magbabad sa ilog.
tingling from head to toe. I spread my wings and I just go. What a beautiful thing. The peace of mind that it brings is different than I thought it was. Finally now I know love feels like a warm hug. 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 I don't have all the answers, but I know you're a good answer. 'Cause you waltzed into my dreams. I made them real. Don't know when I've been this happy. Every time that you look at me, it feels like a warm hug. I don't know.
Shoutout pala sa mga nakilala at nakabanding natin. Sila ay dumayo pa dito na galing pa sa Barangay Kabugbugan, Tagudin, Ilocos Sur.
What a beautiful thing. The peace of mind that it brings.
Salamat sa inyo mga idol sa napakasayang banding at syempre, ride safe sa inyo palagi.